So what are key performance indicators? Remember when we were in school, we used to get A, B, and C in subjects? Yes, those A, B, and C are type of KPIs for our guardians. Basically, our guardians are informed about performances based on these indicators. KPIs could be numbers, percentages, category, or any other value. So let's imagine you're in sales and marketing department. Then your KPIs will be these. Basically, the measure of your sales department performance. Let's take an example. Sales volume by location. How much sales did you do by a particular location? Now, this location can be a city, your country, or maybe a pin code. Let's take another example for manufacturing department. For manufacturing department, the KPI could be return on assets. Basically, the annual net income divided by the total asset, which is this. I'm sharing the link of more KPI videos in the description. Do check them out and like and subscribe my channel. I hope to see you again.